Apple MagSafe charger, genuine or not? I'm Vlad from iPhoneTricks.org, and in this video I'll unbox a MagSafe charger and use it to charge an iPhone 12 Pro for the first time. First, let's carefully inspect the box. You'll see that in the box we only have the charger, the puck and the cable. You need extra 20-watt USB-C charging brick, this one here, that you purchase separately, or you have it in your house from, for example, from the HomePod Mini or from another Apple product. But usually you need this to fast charge the iPhone 12, so most likely you already have it. Let's see what else is on the box. Here at the bottom we have the model number, which is A2140, and the Apple seal. So this one looks like genuine. I didn't bought it from an Apple store, so by the looks of it I'm pretty sure it's genuine, but I'll show you how you can truly confirm that this is a genuine MagSafe charger. So first I will pull the seal where the green arrow shows. Okay, now once I rip it off I will be able to open this. Good. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, so we open it here. Okay, and here we have the MagSafe puck and the cable. I assume I have to open them over here to get the cable out. Now let's see how to get the puck out without tearing up things. What's the trick here? I can just pull it out like this. Yep, good, managed. And oh, the USB-C plug here, it's mounted. Okay, I pulled it out. Perfect. So we have the MagSafe puck, the lightning to the USB-C cable that I have to connect here with the 20-watt charger. This goes into a power outlet. Just a second. Okay, so I've connected this to a power outlet, and now I just have to put the iPhone 12 on top of it. But before that, let me see what else is in the box. Pam pam. Is there a sticker or not? Come on, come on, come on. No, just safety, regulatory and warranty stuff. So now the moment of truth. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro, and I have to place it on top of the MagSafe charger. I did hear it's charging. Yeah, you also heard the sound. Now let's check if this is genuine. So we go to General, About, and over here we have a new section called Apple MagSafe Charger. I tap it and I have the manufacturer name, the model number 8140, which corresponds to this one here on the box. Great. And the firmware version. Okay, so it looks legit. It is legit. And now it's also charging. Apparently the MagSafe charging animation is only available when the screen is locked. I'll connect it, and here we have the charging animation. Yeah, perfect. This is how to unbox, set up and charge your iPhone with the MagSafe charger for the first time. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.